Well, hello, Gazelle herd. Neil deGrasse Bison here, and I'm honored to be with you. As an astrophysicist, my research takes me around the universe. Today, your group admin, Gary Fujioka, has invited me to show you the Gazelle universe that lives inside his head. What I'm about to show you is what Gary imagines the global Gazelle community would look like in real time, were it able to be monitored on one screen. Join me now, won't you? And let's see what is in your fellow herd member's imagination. Gary designed and coded this over a 2-day period during the COVID quarantine. The screen is divided into sections. The far left column reflects Gazelle Ultimate Rider activity worldwide, as visualized on the time-space continuum. Each of these photons is a Gazelle rider. As we continue down the monitor, we can see the Ultimate Rider's Collective Smile Index. As you can see, the index is quite high today, and the readings correlate as expected with additional biometric data being assessed. This includes the happiness data and the well-being quotient. The center section is the global community of mid-AO riders on the space-time continuum. As you can see, they are out in force today, riding like the Dutch. Overall numbers are excellent, but we do see a couple of tires underinflated and about, looks like 14 or 15 chains due for lubrication. To the right, we can see Arroyo Elite, Avignon, Citizen, Easy Flow, Heavy Duty NL, Miss Grace, Esprit, Chamonix, Orange, and Paris C7 riders. Will you look at the beauty and grace of that Gazelle galaxy? Truly awe-inspiring. In the upper right-hand corner, you can see production in real time at Gazelle's factory in Dieren, Netherlands. They're busy building new e-bikes at the factory, that's a fact. It appears there's a T9 city, offline 3 getting a going over by quality assurance. And that's a good thing. Below the manufacturing output, you can see the dealer order traffic. Looks like orders for the new wheel, Propel, Mike's Bikes, and the Midwest Cyclery in Kansas City are being processed as we view this. I see an Avignon shipping out of Vacaville. And finally, the lower right section monitors the members of the Facebook owners group. All the data is encrypted to protect member privacy, but you can read the meter amplitude to see the herd is living its best life. Well, herd. That's going to wrap up our exploration of the Gazelle universe in the admin's occipital cortex and dorsolateral prefrontal cortex. Gary asked me to tell you that it's a wonderful universe, and that he's genuinely glad you're all a part of it.